I make una for no loss as make I do this travel vlog. As una go take reach 7 and 8 if una dey come from Ikotun or Ijegun. As I dey waka dey go now, look left, look right, see make I cross the road, make keke no for knack my leg. As I cross now, I begin waka go where I go enter keke wey go carry me go Ikotun roundabout. As I reach there, dey wait now. Wey this keke man dey make e come make I enter. As I dey wait now, so one carry himself come. Madam, abeg shake make I sit down. Dem say na too much of waka make my friend papa quick die. Make I for no quick payment and say make I enter keke. As I enter the keke dey go now, I look front now. So I give the keke man the money out of 15 I owe. I give am, him collecting you 100 naira, give me my change. Where I hold the change now, as I dey look outside, I see we dey reach Ikotun, but small hold up dey. Make this hold up do, make I pass. See my change wey I don owe out of the 15 I collect. Madam, abeg comot for my pass. Now which one you wear for head? Shey na church you dey go this early morning, abi na where you dey even dey go? Abeg e comot for road. Where I dey go still far a bit. Make I look road where I go pass. As I dey go now, I see this agbero comot for the POS woman. Wetin happen? Wetin you hold for hand? Comot for road, make I pass. Make una no block me. All this paragon sef dem too dey block. If you don see this signboard wey you see so for there now, there dem dey call Ikotun roundabout. So waka go now, see make I go look for keke wey dey go Kenu, because before if you reach there, first of all enter keke wey dey go Kenu. So I enter keke wey dey go Kenu now, check the amount wey remain for one and 15. Keke man don start in keke now, we don begin journey. And so we dey go. Dem say if you no know road, make you dey ask for direction. If you no know road, brother, abeg ask for direction, make you no go lost. Because if you no ask for direction, so pe o ti lọ. Keke for Lagos dem no dey play. Say chuku for that one guy. See my keke man gonna dope guy, say as e fresh. E dey give me jams. Na so I dey shake my head. See the jams here, dey vibe to the song. We don reach Ikotun where dey call Ojana, so we begin waka dey go. Police sef dey there, dem dey collect their own. You see this ogbonga building wey I dey show na im dem dey call Synagogue Church of All Nations. You see this church, dem say na the woman dey control am now since TB Joshua don kpeme. If dem carry you dey go 7 and 8, if you no pass through this place, make you know say you don enter one chance. Shey one chance, you don enter one chance be that. And so we begin our journey now. We dey head towards 7 and 8, but before we reach there, get small bus stop where we go pass. As I dey show una road, so I suppose educate una say for this journey wey una dey go, so many keke wey dey this road na one chance dem be. Dem dey pick things for people pocket. Before a year, my phone don lost. Before a year, my wallet don go. Make your own no for be story that touches the heart. You see this building wey dey there, I no know wetin dem dey call am. Dem say na Ace touch or whatsoever. Na for Sele Egbe e dey. Dem dey do fingernail, dem dey do hair, dem dey do so many things. So if you don comot for Sele Egbe now, the next place wey we go reach na the bridge wey connect Egbe and Ejigbo together. Na im we dey on top. So we don dey drive comot on top the bridge. After we pass the bridge now, the next place wey we go enter now na the place wey dem dey call Before Bridge. As we comot for Before Bridge now, we dey head towards outside wey go carry us go Ejigbo. After we pass Ejigbo na Ejigbo we see. So as we comot for Ejigbo, we see as this last man wey dey control for this road. Last man dem plenty. So if you dey carry your private car come for this place, make you no dey look because of say if you look too much now, so Okpotilo na im be your name. The next place wey we go reach now na that place wey dey call NNPC, and before we reach there, you go see as dem last man dem dey. See as dem position, dem dey look for person wey go. Because if you enter one way, your own be say you don buy market. We don carry ourselves enter NNPC road. Na NNPC road na im we dey drive. So this NNPC na im connect us down to the Kenu wey we dey talk about. Kenu una dey talk. No be say una wan carry me go enter Kenu. Me I dey fear water. I no wan make water carry me go Iyemoja place. So make una do wetin, make una respect una self. Na inside that last route na im be this now. From here now na Kenu junction we dey go. But that Kenu wey we dey hear now, no be say Kenu dey there, no be say anything dey there. Now before Kenu dey, but now the government of the state don help us construct bridge wey be say motorists go fit just pass, and you wey dey use your leg waka, you go pass. I don reach Kenu and I don come down from my keke. Now the next thing wey I go do na to go find that keke wey go come carry me go 7 and 8, which is the last bus stop. Na the place where I say I wan carry una go this morning. This bridge now na im be that place wey Kenu dey cross before. I don dey use my leg waka on top of the bridge, make I go find the keke wey go carry me go Kenu. As I don enter the keke now, keke no too cost. Keke don carry me dey go. Na Chivita be this, by your right hand side or by your left hand side. Now after everything, keke man wey carry me reach Kenu collect 500. Na 900 remain from my hand from 1,005 wey I carry comot for house this morning. Na Chivita building una dey see there. So small hold up dey there wey dey hold us. See Chivita. and that place you go know say yes, you dey for the right tract. If you know dey this place, you won't be say they don't carry you go. Waka for there at Talat now, they look outside. As I look outside now, I see the civil engineer with his go on top their bike. Then they drive, they go office. I see they use eyes, they look left and right, make up for show now how the road take be. As we they go now, we'll see this Presbyterian church. As Christians they shout praise the Lord, Muslims say they no small, them too they shout Allahu Akbar. And so I say this patient was a portrait wey you waki and pop of those days. And so I say make them come on for road, make I face where I they go. Different art and culture dey for road, make una for no day board as una they go 7 and 8 from Ikotun or Ijegun. This building na yes say na Emzo dey inside. Na so I video and where make for know whether na true, but you get one hotel wey dey beside and they call am Swiss the Palm. I don't know whether the hotel still dey function. This road now ain't go lead us to Eleganza. See Eleganza now within iconic structure, body written on the face of written on the body of the building. Eleganza, this Eleganza man na better industrialist. So from there now, this road now go lead us to where they call Afari Ogun. Afari Ogun now at the Afari Ogun street now we dey so. Now so we dey go. All these things where they show now. Now make una for at least see 1 or 2 building wey una go remember. Make una for no loss. See this big church now, now they call Jesus House. Now Redeem Church. This church alone, it go let you know say you dey on the right track. Now Latif Salami Street now we pass. So after we come off for Latif Salami Street, we don dey very close to where we dey go. The junction of this place where we dey go now, they call Uzede Plaza or Ozede Junction. From Ozede Plaza or Ozede Junction, by your left hand side straight down 9B7 and 8. See this place where I want show now, 9 they call Super Saver. Super Saver and one more way there for there. We go still let you know say you dey on the right track. See Mama's Kitchen. These people we don't been video the place before talks. The aroma of their food, they pass through their video where they do many years ago. Now Ozede Junction we done this. So if you look straight, you supposed to know say you dey on the right track. Now 7 and 8 we done they go. So a Chicken Republic speed. If you watch this video reach this level, I beg you suppose don't subscribe to my YouTube channel. At least that one go they give me goosebumps. Say people dey where they listen and where they want to hear more about my journey. Now we don't reach 7 and 8 junction. If you look everywhere, look where we are now, you go see Zenith Bank, you go see Globus Bank, you go see Tantalizers of those days. That one go let you know say you don't do 7 and 8. Now 7 and 8 be this. Make una shine on an eye where look am. All those guys they full everywhere. We they not go pick your phone next. For the comment section, I go like make una tell me where be the next route una want make I cover. Make una for take know how Lagos take. At the end of the journey now, my 1,500 where I come up for house remain 600. Now the 600 be this now. As I make a branch from Malam place, make I collect 1 bottle water and not take good body. Bye.